Hello everyone! So today, we are taking you to one of the most peaceful hidden gems in Pandeglang, Banten. It's Cihunjuran Nature Tourism. Surrounded by greenery and fresh air, this place is the perfect destination to relax and refresh your mind. And the best part? Is super affordable. The entrance fee just 10,000 rupiah per person and is open daily from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And here, everyone's favorite part, the crystal clear water straight from the mountains. It's cool, clean, and incredibly refreshing. The natural pools are perfect for swimming, playing, or simply soaking your feet while enjoying the sound of flowing water. For a little adventure, there is also a light hiking trail nearby. It's easy to follow and reward you with stunning views from the hilltop. Local farmers sell fresh produce, like warm-boiled corn, harvested just meters away. It's the kind of taste you can only get from the source. A wide rice fields stretching across the hills, and the calm village atmosphere feels like home. This is more than a trip. It's an experience with nature. Bring your family, your friends, or just yourself. Cihunjuran is located in Cikoneng Village, Mandalawangi, Pandeglang, Banten. Only 30 to 45 minutes from the city center. Cihunjuran Nature's way of reminding us how simple happiness can be.